So we got some Guajillo dried peppers here. We gotta rehydrate them. Today I will be using lamb, a nice spring lamb, grass-fed, mashallah. Okay, and now you gotta strain the peppers into the bowl here for the sauce, and then we're gonna pour it back in the blender. Okay, so the filtered Guajillo chili sauce is there. We got the roasted red onion, tomatoes, and jalapeno. Now we're gonna add cilantro. Cilantro is added. Let's blend it up. Alright, nice and party. And this is what it looks like before I stir it all up. We got the okra in there, fresh organic sweet corn, and the lamb that was seared and let rest, cooked to medium rare, is now sliced, and I'll toss this up. Now everything is mixed up. We will put this in the oven and cook it low and slow. The black beans with the beef tallow are cooking up real nice. Put some black pepper, cumin, and Atlantic sea salt in there with a little bit of garlic powder. The beans are done. I'm gonna mash them now. Alright, the beans are nice and mashed. Wonderful texture. I could puree it really fine, but I'd rather just have them mashed today. Takes more time, but you know, you gotta have variety. The aroma is fantastic. The sauce has an excellent color. The lamb is nice and tender. The cilantro is very fragrant, and the sweet corn is looking quite well. Alhamdulillah, we'll let this cool off. It's untasted. Alright, and then this is what it looks like plated. It's very bold colors. It's quite nice. Tortillas on deck. Alhamdulillah, the flavor is quite nice. Perfect acidity. It's not that spicy. Nope, leave the tortillas alone. And the black beans have quite wonderful flavors. It's rich, mashed to perfection. Alhamdulillah, a labor of love. Yay!